Hey guys, Sita here with Beauty and the Kinks. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a continuation of the series where I teach you or show you how I am able to make money as a micro influencer. So the first episode is already up and live. If you have not seen that, I will have it linked above for you. Definitely check that out. I share details about my strategy, how I establish myself as a brand, and how I move towards creating content that will eventually sell to different brands and to different audiences. And then we're going to tie that into the content. So first things first, we establish a brand, we establish what we want to do. Now, let's talk about content creation. I am in this video going to be focusing on Reels or TikToks just because that is what is most popular. That is what is trending. Instagram itself is pushing Reels. So I'm going to show you guys how I create my videos and give you a couple examples and walk you through the process. So the first example is a reel that I created for Function of Beauty. They sent me a bunch of their curly hair products and this was brand new, and so I wanted to showcase each product as well as how I use it real time. When creating this reel, I knew exactly where I wanted to shoot everything. So I did write down that I wanted the products to first be displayed in my formal living room, and then when I'm using the products, I wanted to show that real time in the bathroom as I was using it. So this one was pretty straightforward, just displaying the products and showing how I use them. The next example is just a quick cocktail that I created probably on a Friday or Saturday evening. I wanted to showcase the blood orange soda that I picked up from Trader Joe's, as well as the Bacardi rum, and how quick and easy this cocktail was to make. So again, just showcasing the products, a quick display of how I made the drink, and then I garnished it with some blood oranges. So quick and easy. Next is an example of a storyboard that I usually create for any video projects, or even I create something similar for my still shots, but this is specifically for a reel that I wanted to create. As you can see, it's extremely detailed, showing the type of shot that I want in the frame and what the overall feel is that I'm trying to accomplish. All right, guys, so now I've shown you my examples. I do want to mention that some of these ideas are very on the spot and not thought out, not planned. It's just I have an idea, I run with it, and other videos are well thought out, very much planned. I set up shots, I have a mood board, I have a storyboard, and that's for majority of my videos. I basically tell a story via the video every single time, whether it's planned or whether it's completely off the top of my head. I'm always very much aware of the story that I'm telling, because what's going to happen is a brand is going to see it and they can identify with their product being told in that story, and my audience as well as their audience can relate to me as a person and how I'm using that product or service. So definitely something you want to keep in mind when you are creating your videos. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down below for me. I will have all of my information in the description box. And yeah, that's it. So definitely subscribe if you are excited for episode number 3. That is where we're going to be getting into the details on the different ways that I get paid. So I'm going to break down to you the different opportunities you have, how you can put yourself out there and be proactive and try to pitch yourself to brands. So all of that coming up in the 3rd episode. You don't want to miss it. So like this video for more and definitely subscribe. Until next video, guys. Bye.